Hey everyone, Elle here. So today we are going to be talking about alternative ways to use products that do not work for you. Before I begin, I know you're like, Elle, why are you wearing green eyeshadow? It's because, so as part of my makeup challenge, as part of me just practicing makeup on a regular basis, just like trying different techniques and what products work for me. So today's theme was actually 70s makeup, and I looked up 70s makeup. I saw a lot of green eyes, a lot of blue eyes, with the rest of the face very natural, just like a pop of gloss. So that's pretty much what I did. And I really, really like it. If I go out my house like this, I know people are going to look at me funny. I do not mind because I like colors. And yeah, I use Juvia's Place and Beauty Bakery for my eyes. And then I have some Pat McGrath gloss on my lips. So those are some of my face. So I'll actually link to some of that stuff in the details if you care. But anyway, so let's get started. I don't want to make this too long, but I do want to make it clear that like I really don't like to throw away products. It kind of irks me a little bit because, you know, a lot of the products we buy, you know, for our natural hair are not cheap. And it's one thing if you have like a $2 product, but if you have a $15 product, you don't want to throw that away, and that's not going to work out for you. So yeah, let's just get started. So I think one of the things that people have the most trouble with, well, I know I have the most trouble with if it just doesn't work, is shampoo. So this is a perfect example. This Terra Essentials hair wash. It's the bentonite clay wash. This is left coast lemon. And it has like aloe vera juice, bentonite clay, and really just organic extracts, right? My hair hates this stuff. So rather than waste $22 on 16 ounces, the only reason I got 16 ounces is because the smaller version doesn't really do much for my hair. I can only use it a couple of times. So I was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna retry this. Nope, still hate it. So what I use this for, actually, because it does have that base of aloe vera and bentonite clay, I use this as a face mask. And if you have the peppermint one, I don't know if you want to do that because it might, you know, like tingle, i.e. burn. But this one I do use as a face mask, and it works really great for me because bentonite clay, if I use it by itself, it makes my face very, very red for probably like half an hour after I use it. This does not make my face red because it is mixed with other things, and I actually really like it as a face mask. So it's like my bentonite clay alternative for, yeah, that. And I don't like bentonite clay on my face either. But that I do like better by itself on my hair. If I do like a bentonite clay treatment, it's just very hard to wash out of my hair at this point. Just as my hair has gotten longer, because it's thick, it's just not a good look. So that's one. For shampoo, and this is going to actually be a little bit difficult for me because I actually don't have any products in my arsenal that I really, really hate right now, because I probably either gave them away or I haven't really bought a lot of new hair products. I really don't feel as if a lot of the products on the market are up to my standards, so I just haven't bought them. So this is another one, but this actually, I do like this shampoo. This is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Sulfate-Free Moisture and Shine Shampoo. I know not everyone likes shampoo, or you could find shampoos drying or something like that. So if you have a shampoo, especially if it smells good, look at the ingredients, okay? And look at the ingredients to your body wash. A lot of the time, your shampoo and your body wash have very, very similar ingredients. So in the past, like I know I had like a Pantene shampoo. I just use it as body wash. It smelled good. I was like, whatever, like this will work for me. So I definitely used it as a body wash, and it was lovely. And I used the whole bottle up, and it was perfect. Or if you have a pet, you can use it on your dog or your, do people bathe their cats? Use it on your pet. I know I've used shampoos that don't work for me on my dog as well. And for some reason they don't they don't dry out its fur. It just was gonna dry out my hair. So that also works. Now, if you have a conditioner that you do not like, if you don't find that it is moisturizing enough, or it's just not the consistency you want it to be, shave your legs. I've used several conditioners that I did not like to shave my legs, shave my armpits, or, you know, wherever else on my body. I'm shaving to feel like a dolphin, but I really do like using conditioner for that purpose. It doubles as a shaving cream, basically. I have not purchased an actual shaving cream, oh my gosh, probably in like 10 years or something like that, because I feel like conditioner works just as well. Just make sure, you know, And it's usually moisturizing somewhat. It might not be moisturizing for my hair, but my skin will love it. So that also works very well. For moisturizers and leave-in conditioners, again, look at the ingredients. This is why I'm going to tell you all to look at the ingredients probably about 5 more times in this video, because I do want people to focus on ingredients. I know a lot of the time we still don't read ingredients. Sometimes people will contact me talking about a product saying like, well, it has this claim, but it doesn't do that. And I'm like, well, it does have this ingredient that is supposed to do that. So that's why they put that claim in there. I don't really pay attention to the marketing from brands. I kind of just glaze over it because I don't believe them anyway, because obviously they are going to say something to make their product look good. I mean, that's their job as their marketing team. If they were going to write, you know, a blurb or their elevator pitch about a product and it was like, well, this will be kind of okay for your hair, no one's going to buy it. So everything is going to be enhanced and they're going to exaggerate. So with moisturizers, depending on the ingredients, I either will use it as a lotion. I did just write a post on Black Girl Long Hair about using lotion and lotion as a leave-in and vice versa. If you look at the ingredients, you can definitely use it as a lotion as long as it's not too sticky. If it is stickier, use it as either a foot cream at night or one of those like 20-minute foot masks, and then you can rinse it off. So that will work as well. Those are the primary ways I use that. I do not put them on my face. I primarily will use them on my body and definitely on my feet, and they work well. I know I think it was a moisturizer from Basque before they became Bakura that it just wasn't my favorite, and I didn't want to waste it because I knew it was a natural product and it was going to expire eventually. And I used it as a foot cream and it was wonderful. My feet were buttery soft like all summer. So I think that is a great idea for using those products as well. When you get to oils, definitely, again, you can use those on top of a moisturizer, just like butters. Use them on your feet, put socks on at night. Those work very well. If you are like me and you take baths, put them in your bath, like mix it with like either like milk or Epsom salts or something like that, and those also work really well in the bath. Just make sure you don't use too much, because if your bath gets really oily, once you know you're cleansing or you're cleaning off your body, it could get a little dirty. But that's anytime you use bath oils. One of my friends just told me about an oil that actually like cleans your tub, and I have to get that. It was an Alafia product. It was the Alafia bubble bath, I think it was. So hit that up too if you take baths, just tip on a side. So yeah, that'll definitely work. If you are talking about now hair gels, again, look at the ingredients. If I'm just using an aloe vera gel I don't like, obviously I can use that on my body because aloe vera gels are also to be used on the skin. If I'm using a gel, let's say like Kinky Curly, that I don't like, that I don't want to use, it's really, really hard to decide what you're going to do with that. What you can do is mix it with a little bit of a conditioner and a little bit of oil and see if you can create a curl cream that your hair likes more. Sometimes I've had gels in the past that I don't think mix well with anything on their own if I'm layering them, but then if I mix it up all together, then it works great. I know I've done that with Eco Styler. Some of the Eco Stylers are a little bit drying for me. They're a little bit too hard. So I mix it with conditioner, just one of my favorite conditioners, usually without glycerin. You know, I don't like glycerin, and oil, and then turn it into a curl cream, and boom, you have like a whole new product. So I think that's pretty much it. So we did shampoo, conditioner, moisturizers, styler, gel, and oil. Yes, so those are my primary natural hair products, and those are different ways you can use it. If you have additional suggestions for how you use products that don't work for you, I know I have a curl cream recipe, and I will put that in the details for you all. It's on my blog. So yeah, you can try that and see if it works out. Like I said, it's worked for me before, but just really just using them on your body for the most part works for me. If you're doing like any kind of other like moisturizing treatments or something that you can wash off, like I definitely, like I ran out of shower gel the other week. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. And I definitely use shampoo. So it works. But anyway, let me know if you have any questions, comments, leave them in there. And we will talk later. I just want to let you all know, hopefully I will get to do one more video before this happens. But if not, I will be gone for a couple of weeks. I actually am doing yoga teacher training. So I'm very, very excited about that. But I won't be able to access a camera or anything like that. So I won't be able to do videos. I will let you all know how it went when I return. So yeah, wish me luck. And I'll talk to you later. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.